Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your own magazine, whether it's for a school project, a club, or maybe even the first step toward your own publication, today's tutorial is made just for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create an eye-catching magazine in or content design using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional-looking magazine spread that you can be really proud of, and all without needing advanced design skills. So let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry, it's super user-friendly and there's even a free version that gives you plenty of tools to work with. Open up your browser and go to canva.com. You'll want to either log in or sign up if you're new. This part is pretty straightforward, and trust me, getting familiar with Canva will pay off for all sorts of future projects. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button. It's usually nice and bold, sitting at the top right corner of your dashboard. Give that a click. Now in the search bar that pops up, type magazine. What this does is bring up a list of preset sizes and layouts that are optimized for magazine content. Canva takes care of the dimensions, so you don't need to worry about pixels or aspect ratios. It's all set for you. Next up, after choosing magazine, you'll enter the main design workspace. Here, where the fun really begins. You'll see a gallery of templates on the left, a huge variety covering everything from fashion and food to technology and travel. Take your time scrolling through and select a template that best matches the theme or mood of your magazine. Maybe you're going for something sleek and modern, or perhaps something more playful. Whatever your style, there's definitely a template for you. Click on the one you like, and Canva will automatically load it into your editing area. With your template in place, now it's time to personalize it. Don't be afraid to get hands-on. Double-click on any text to edit headlines, change colors, swap out fonts, or move elements around. Remember, the goal here is to make the content truly yours. This is your chance to set the tone, so try to align the look and feel with the topic you're covering. Imagine you're the editor-in-chief. If your magazine is about health and wellness, go for calming colors and clean lines. If it's about music, maybe something bold and vibrant. Now, before you fill in your content, here's a pro tip. You can use ChatGPT or any other trusted AI to help you search for the latest news or headlines relevant to your topic. This is a real-time saver, especially if you're trying to make your magazine current and appealing. Just type in your query, grab the latest highlights, and copy the parts you find most relevant. Once you've got your fresh content, just paste it into the appropriate sections of your magazine design. If you find that things don't fit perfectly, don't worry, text boxes and elements can be resized or rearranged. It's all about balance and clarity, so spend a few moments here tweaking things until they look and read just right. Next, let's add some visual flair. Click on Elements from the Canva toolbar and search for suitable images, icons, or graphics that fit your article or theme. Maybe a compelling photo, an infographic, or a fun illustration. Good visuals can really make your magazine pop and help break up long stretches of text. Just drag and drop them onto your page and again, adjust the size or position as needed. Once you're happy with how everything looks, the content, photos, and overall layout, it's time for the final step. Go up to the top right corner, hit share, then select download. Canva will let you choose the format. PDF is usually a good choice for magazines, but you can pick whatever works best for your needs. Let the file process. It may take a few seconds and then you're all done. And that's it. You've just created a stunning magazine in or content design in Canva, ready to share with the world or your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your questions or feedback in the comments below, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.